guys, Sharon here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own pose. First, I'm going to choose the meow. First, do the witch, I don't know which pose to do first. Choose any pose, but today I'm gonna probably choose I'm gonna do hip for today. And then you go to the eye on the top and then take a picture. Wait, did I take a picture? Still not taking a picture. That's more better. And then choose another pose, and I'm gonna choose still this time. And then take a picture again. Next, go to Ibis Paint X. Go to My Gallery. And then go to the plus and import picture. You can choose any picture first, but I'm gonna do this one. Oopsies. This picture. Original. And then zoom closer. Not too close. And then press the one page. And then press no selection or selection layer and go to the camera that says import picture. Go to the next photo. Oopsies. I shouldn't have touched it. Well, I guess I have to delete it. Act like you saw nothing. And then you go back to that picture. Press check. Don't press anything else. Press cancel. So look like this now. And now wait a minute. Oopsies. Go to the picture, go to eraser, and then choose one hand. So look like that. Or you can use another way. You leave that hand and then it's super. This one looks like it's super. It's like, I'm ready for battle. Well, for me, I want to do this arm for today. So it'll look like this. Oopsies. I'm just gonna erase this. Like nobody knew it was there. You know, I'm gonna make it stronger or bigger. No, there's more. No. Hide. And then we're over here. No! This is not a bloopers video, so go to back. So that's really the end of the video, so bye!